Google is introducing deeper integration between Google Wallet and Chrome Autofill to make the experience of filling out forms on the web smoother than ever. Welcome to GadInsider, your place for the latest tech news. The Chrome Autofill update brings support for more complex data types like flight details, vehicle license plates, and VINs to Android and iOS after it came to desktop last year. What's new for desktop and mobile is deeper Google Wallet integration. This allows Chrome to automatically fill forms using data that's stored in your Google Wallet. This includes driver's license details, passport information, and your known traveler number. Chrome will also offer to save that information to Google Wallet the first time you enter it on a website if it's not already stored. Google will only save or fill your information with your permission with that sensitive data encrypted. You can manage and update what you've saved in Google Wallet settings. All you have to do is open a pass like your digital passport ID, then go to Use Private Pass across Google settings near the bottom of the page. There's also an updated Autofill and Passwords menu in Chrome settings. Replacing the current Passwords and Autofill category, there are categories for Google Password Manager, which includes passwords, passkeys, credit and debit cards, IBANs, loyalty cards for payments, addresses for contact, documents like driver's licenses, identity cards, passports, and travel info. For more information, subscribe to GadInsider, like and share the video, and don't forget to press the bell icon so you never miss any update.